Like I said, what is it? Ashy to classy. That's what we're going with. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Ashley. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be getting into my top 3 moisturizers for dry skin. Now, when I talk about dry skin, I'm not discussing my face. I'm legit talking about my body. I legit was thinking about going to the dermatologist. Ooh, I'm a little dry right now. To discuss this issue. But what I definitely wanted to do was see if I could find like some of my own solutions to the problem before I made a derm visit. And I definitely found 3 moisturizers that seriously make painfully dry skin a lot better. So if you're interested in seeing the 3 moisturizers that I'm going to be discussing, keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to discuss is legit an all-time favorite, and I've been using it for years. It is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula in the jar. One of the things that I love about this product in particular is the smell. It's a traditional cocoa butter smell that everyone is familiar with when it comes to the Palmer's Cocoa Butter line. So that's one thing I definitely like. But because this is in a jar, it has a different consistency, a more butter-like consistency than that of the actual lotion that comes in like the regular pumps. So this is like solid, and you can do like this to just heat it up a little bit and then legit just dig in. Because of the consistency, you really have to like get in there to get product out. This is what the actual butter looks like on your hand once you've gotten it out of the jar. And legit, I will take my shower. Sometimes I will apply the Palmer's cocoa butter oil just to like lock in that moisture, and then I'll put the butter on top. But I just really love the consistency of this product, and it definitely makes having dry skin a breeze. I just really rub it into the skin. Ain't no more ash, ain't no more itching, ain't no more miserable skin, none of that. Oh, and it smells amazing. The next product I'm going to discuss is the Roche-Posay, I believe it's Lipikar Balm AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. Baby, I got introduced to this product last year. I attended a derm class with Roche-Posay, and I was able to get my hands on this. This bottle is almost finished, and I'm like suffering, so I'm gonna have to call my girl Mina and ask her if she could, you know, bless me, because this product is seriously a game changer. It's super moisturizing from the time that you apply it until you get back home. And that's another thing that gets me, longevity of products in terms of how they wear throughout the day. This product, I kid you not, my skin is moisturized from the time I leave my house until I get back. I don't have to worry about my skin drying out while I'm out. This product seriously pulls through all day. What I like about the Roche-Posay products, but this one in particular, is that it doesn't have fragrance. And I believe if you do have eczema, you can use this product to just really moisturize your skin. My skin just really loves this product, and I'm so happy that Roche-Posay introduced this to me. Like seriously, I'm just like in love with this. Like, it just really makes a big difference. I kid you not. Lastly, the big boy. This is the Aveeno Cracked Skin Relief Cica Balm. This is a newer product. I also got introduced to this product last year. I attended an open house event, and this product was one of the first products that I got introduced to, so immediately I was all ears and needed to hear what they had to say. Now, this balm has no fragrance as well. I love that. But the consistency of this, it reminds me of like a softened Vaseline, almost, kind of, in terms of like the consistency. But this product, seriously, I was skeptical at first, I'm not gonna lie. I feel a lot more confident when I'm out because I don't have to worry about my skin. Look at this, moisturizing again. I don't have to worry about my skin being dry while I'm out or drying out while I'm out, which is something that I've definitely dealt with in the past. But this product seriously holds through all day as well. I stay moisturized from the time I apply it until I get back in. I'm able to wear whatever I want, however I want, and I'm still comfortable in my skin, if that makes sense. But seriously, these 3 moisturizers have changed the game for me. Like, I really love applying this one on like upper body from like my waist up. definitely delivers, and the other two products are definitely waist down, which is where I experience the most uncomfortable dryness. So my legs, my thighs, and from the knee down will just itch unbearably. And it's gotten to the point sometimes I've honestly wanted to cry while I was in the street because I couldn't stop them from itching and I had things to do. But now that I have this amazing lineup for dry skin, I don't have to worry about that. But that's pretty much it. I really hope that you all enjoyed my top 3 moisturizers for dry skin. Of course, if you have tried any of these before or you do have another suggestion, please leave it down below in the comment section. I would love to check it out, trust me. Dry skin, she don't live here no more. So yeah, like I said, what is it? Ashy to classy. That's what we're going with. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.